Hey everybody, I'm about to sew some scrunchies while I talk about something. So, I've been sewing since '01. '01. I took a sewing class at Joanne Fabrics back then. And I'm going to tell y'all, that was when the World Trade Center, all of that happened. I don't want to really talk about that. May all those people rest in peace. So, anywho, I had a problem with putting sleeves in the way that you you sew the sleeves in around in a circular motion. And one of the instructors there told me to just lay the pattern out flat and pin it and sew it around the flat way. And that was the best thing ever. I bought that up because that particular day that I was practicing before class started again, that's when everything happened that day. So that's how I remember vividly when I first started going to the class. Now, previously, I had sewing in high school, but I didn't take no interest to it. I mean, I made a couple of things, but I ain't really do nothing with it. But as an adult, I went and took myself a sewing class at Joanne Fabrics. So I have been sewing on and off all these years. First, I just started off making a lot of clothes and stuff, but then for the past maybe 3 years, I just ventured off from making clothes. Not saying that I'm not going to make clothes anymore, because I do plan to make some clothes since I whipped out my sewing machines. So I have an overlock machine and I have a regular sewing machine. So both are Singers. And I had this machine from, I didn't have it the first year I started sewing. The first sewing machine I had was a brother sewing machine. And then I got a Singer sewing machine. Then after that Singer sewing machine, I got this one. So, yeah, I had this machine for a very long time. And it has not let me down, okay? And over the years since I've had it for so long, if it's not a real live major problem, which I have not had a major problem with it, everything else, I tune it up, oil it, make sure that I take care of my baby right here, and that's what I do. So, yeah, so I know that some of you on the channel do know that I know how to sew if you saw those videos from back in the day. And I think I can incorporate this in for my, whenever I do get to sell things in person, because I really, or you guys can order scrunchies from me too. And I'll let you know when everything is available so that you guys can order them. I just got to figure out how to sell my things. I really do. Sewing machine might be a little loud, y'all. I'm sitting sideways. I need to sit straight. Posture is great to have good posture. Okay. Okay, so I just sewed down one side of it, and now I'm going to sew down the other side of it. I'm uploading a video right now, and I'm sitting kind of close to my computer. This video I'm doing right now, I'm doing this on my phone, and all the other videos where you see the top down, facing down on my desk when I'm drawing or coloring, I do that with my actual camera, so I don't do that with my phone. So, yeah. I was going to do this video with my camera, but I don't know. Maybe the next video I do of me sewing, I might do it with that one. Because with the phone, it's just as is. All right, so I got both sides sewed down on it. I have to flip it, and I'm not going to make a whole entire video of myself sewing all of these scrunchies. Just wanted to chime in, and you guys can actually see me who haven't seen me sewing. So yeah, and then I might do a video about all of the sewing essentials that I have, all the things that I have for sewing. I think that'll be quite an interesting video for people that don't want to, not don't want to. Okay, I ran into a problem, so let's fix the problem. There's a jam in the thread, see? Ran into a little problems. When you have problems with your bobbin, it's best that you take care of that right away. Don't let your machine just jam up on you and you try to keep going. Like, I heard it doing something, you guys. I heard it and I was like, hold up. No, no, no. Yep, I heard it and I was like, let me just fix that right quick. And then you don't need your tails to be that long. So I'm just gonna put those to the back, put the cap back on. Make sure all my thread is where it's supposed to be. Okay. I see my my bobbin tilting upward. I don't know why it's tilting up. See? I know what to do, though. I know how to fix this. And I don't know what's going to happen now. I'm going to find out right quick while you guys are on the camera with me. Well, it seems to be working perfectly fine. So, yeah, I'm just going to sew this one. And then we're going to talk about something else. Okay, so that's all of the orange color. I got to, hold on. I have to cut the strings and everything off the thread, and then I'm going to move on to, put that over there. I'm going to move on to these pink ones that I have right here. I already have them cut out. So, yeah, so those are going to be the color that I'm going to do next. Okay. All right, so let's see. So I think I'll just show you guys the machines. They are a little dusty because I've been sewing Yeah, so they have fabric and material stuff all over them because my work is never done, okay? So don't be talking about, she needs to clean her machines. I'm using these machines, okay? I'm using them. Okay, here is my Singer sewing machine that I'm using to make my scrunchie. I have the Quantum 9910 and it's digital, you see right here. And it has where you can see that whatever type of stitches you can do. And like I said, I've had this for a while. And let's take you over to the overlock machine that I have. I've had this overlock machine for a while. You can see all the projects I have over here to do. All right, so here it is right here. Let me get it straight. Here it is right here. I still have my phone on the tripod, you guys, so let me take it off because this is all. Here it is right here. This is the overlock machine that I have. I'll turn the thread around. So I've had this for years too. So I make sure I keep this oiled and everything. And I've just been trying to make sure that I keep everything nice. So I have both of them just on this little table. So whenever I want to do use this one, I just move the chair, swing the chair around to this side. And when I'm sewing on this side over here, I just stay over here on this side. So yeah, so right now I'm not using the overlock machine. I'm just basically using the sewing machine to do these scrunchies right now. And yeah, that's it. Okay, before I end this video, I just want to thank you guys for watching my videos, and I'm so thankful that people are taking interest in my channel lately. Even though I know I don't have a lot of views on my channel, and I know people always say this in the beginning. Please like, subscribe, and all that stuff. I just don't be thinking about that when I'm making my video. When I first started making my video, I just want to make my video. I'm going to try. I keep saying I'm going to try, but I never get the hang of it to be saying all of that. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in the next videos. Thanks so much for stopping by. All right, bye.